In this problem number 8, we have to consider the series summation n from 2 to the infinity 1 over n times ln squared of n, and we have to figure out whether it converges or not, and if it converges we have to estimate its value, that is the sum of the series with error less than 0.5. The series is given by the function f of x equals 1 divided by x times ln squared of x, and this is positive and decreasing for x greater than 1. Now, since summation starts from the index value n equals 2, it suffices to consider this function f for x greater than or equal to 2. And for those values of x, this is positive and decreasing. Hence, we may use the integral test. The integral from 2 to the m dx divided by x times ln squared of x is integral from ln of 2 to ln of m du divided by u squared. Here we have substituted u equals ln of x. And this becomes substitution to negative 1 over u and substitution from ln of 2 to ln of m. So we get minus 1 divided by ln of m plus 1 divided by ln of 2. As m goes to the infinity, ln of m goes to the infinity as well, and minus 1 over ln of m goes to 0. Therefore, as m goes to the infinity, this expression has the limit 1 over ln of 2. We conclude that the improper integral from 2 to the infinity dx divided by x times ln squared of x converges, and therefore also this summation n from 2 to the infinity 1 over n times ln squared of n converges. Next, we estimate this with error less than 0.5. So, in order to estimate this with a partial sum, and in order to be sure that the error is less than 0.5, we have to find m, so that the integral from m to the infinity dx divided by x times ln squared of x is less than 0.5. Now this can be readily done because we can compute this integral from m to the infinity dx divided by x times ln squared of x in an explicit way. Computing as before, we get that the value of this improper integral is 1 over ln of m. Therefore, the condition for m to get the desired accuracy of the estimation is 1 over ln of m. It has to be less than 0.5. So ln of m has to be greater than 2. This means m has to be greater than e squared, which is approximately 7.4. So this means that m equals 8 suffices for us. And when we take the sum n from 2 to 8, 1 over n times ln squared of n, then we take 7 first terms of this series. So it suffices to take 7 first terms, and the sum n from 2 to the 8 of 1 over n times ln squared of n is approximately 1.6. This is computed by a computer. More precise estimate can be found again by a computer algebra system, and that yields 2.10974 for this sum. So this estimate 1.6 was not very good. Indeed, the error was very close to 0.5, but it was less than 0.5.